Good day, everyone. Today we will begin our discussion on Chapter 1 Moral and Non-Moral Standards. This topic will help us understand the meaning of ethics and morality, their purpose in human life, and how we distinguish moral from non-moral standards. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to first define ethics and morality and differentiate them. Second, identify the nature and purpose of morality. And third, differentiate between moral and non-moral standards. Keep these outcomes in mind as we go through the lesson. Ethics is the philosophical study of what it means to live a good life, act correctly, and fulfill one's duty to do good. This part of the philosophy called axiology, which is about human values. We say ethics is theoretical. It involves critical reflection on what is good or moral. For example, health professionals like doctors and nurses follow ethical principles when they risk their lives during the pandemic. Their actions are guided by an oath and a sense of duty. Morality, on the other hand, is practical. It deals with the rules that guide human conduct to promote goodness. It is also relative. What one culture sees as moral may not be moral in another. For example, Muslims consider pork forbidden, while for Catholics, fiesta celebrations are incomplete without it. Morality and law are not always the same. Cheating in an exam may be immoral, but it is not punishable by jail time. This shows that morality sometimes goes beyond legality. Why be ethical? Socrates once said how we ought to live. This is the essence of ethics. There are several reasons why we act ethically: to live a purposeful and meaningful life, to unite society through kindness and cooperation, to follow religious beliefs that promise eternal rewards, to benefit ourselves because good actions lead to good outcomes, and because, as moral philosophy argues, humans are naturally good and inclined toward goodness. According to Podgman, in 2005, morality has five main purposes. First, to keep the society intact, to improve human life, encourage personal and collective growth, ensure justice and order when resolving conflicts, and to recognize reward in individual actions. By following morality, we ensure not only personal well-being, but also the flourishing of society. To live morally, we follow principles that have certain traits. Prescriptivity, they give commands like do not steal. Universality, they apply to all, consistently. Overridingness, they take precedence over other principles when needed, such as civil disobedience for freedom. Publicity, they must be known to everyone. And practicability, they should be workable and realistic, not overly burdensome. Moral versus non-moral standards. Moral standards guide us in distinguishing right from wrong and help promote the common good. Examples include honesty, fairness, and keeping promises. Non-moral standards, meanwhile, deal with customs or rules that don't involve ethical judgment, such as table manners, classroom routines, or dress codes. Violating them may be impolite but not immoral. So when we speak of morality, we always refer to actions that carry ethical weight and impact human well-being. In summary, ethics provides us with a framework for understanding what is good, while morality provides the rules for practicing it.